Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board. We hope you have a great flight with South African Airways today. Now, nothing is more important to us than your safety. So, even if you're a frequent flyer, we'd appreciate your attention while we take you through some of the safety features of this aircraft.
Hello, sawubona, and a warm South African welcome to everyone on board. Civil aviation regulations require your compliance with the illuminated passenger information signs, posted placards, and all instructions from the flight crew. For your safety and that of your fellow passengers, your baggage must now be securely stowed in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. If you're seated at an emergency exit, your hand luggage cannot be stored under the seat or on the floor, but must go into an overhead compartment. When opening these compartments, please take care, as some of the items may have shifted. Seatbelt signs are visible throughout the cabin. Whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated, please fasten your seatbelt by pushing the flat metal end of the belt into the buckle. Adjust the belt by pulling the strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap to release the buckle. For your own safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight. Seatbelts for infants will be provided by the crew. The use of all portable electronic devices is restricted during taxi, takeoff, and landing. Transmitting devices equipped with flight mode or its equivalent may be used in flight once the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Ensure that your device is turned to flight mode now. Transmitting devices not equipped with flight mode present a risk to the aircraft navigational system and must remain switched off throughout the flight. Please consult the safety guide in Sawubona magazine for a list of devices approved for use during the flight. Smoking is strictly prohibited on all South African Airways flights. All toilets are monitored by smoke detectors. Attempting to smoke during this flight is a serious offense and is punishable by law. The cabin pressure in this aircraft is carefully controlled. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the panel above you. Remain seated and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Secure it with the elastic band and continue to breathe normally. You may now assist children or other passengers seated next to you. Even when oxygen is flowing freely, the bag will not inflate. There is a life jacket either under or between the seats. When instructed by the crew, remove the jacket from its pouch and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten the clips in front. Only inflate your life jacket when you reach the exit by pulling the toggle sharply downwards. You can re-inflate the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. A whistle is provided to attract attention, and a light will automatically illuminate when in water. Life jackets for infants will be provided by the crew. In certain emergency situations, the cabin crew may give the brace command. Immediately assume this position and wait for further instructions from the crew. Prior to takeoff, take a moment to locate the emergency exit nearest to your seat. In an emergency, clearly visible emergency lights will direct you to these exits. If you are seated in a designated exit row, you may be called upon to open the exit door in an emergency. Please open the exit door as demonstrated. Exit slides are available at every main exit. This Airbus A319 has 6 emergency exits. There are 2 main exit doors forward of the wing and 2 main exit doors aft of the wing, as well as 2 overwing exits. There's a safety card in the seat pocket in front of you. Please read it to re-familiarize yourself with the safety features of this aircraft. We are now preparing for takeoff. Ensure that your seat back is in the upright position, that your tray table and footrest are folded away, and that your seat belt is fastened. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask any of our cabin crew, who would be more than willing to assist.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all of us at South African Airways, we wish you an enjoyable flight, and we thank you for flying with us.
Health regulations stipulate that we must spray the aircraft cabin. The World Health Organization has declared this spray safe to use in aircraft. If you think that the spray might make you uncomfortable, please cover your nose and mouth with a handkerchief. If you wear contact lenses, we recommend that you close your eyes while we spray the cabin. We apologize for any discomfort you may experience.
Station for departure, please.
class will be taking care of you on this flight. My name is Kankos. I'm the person for the flight. Working with me in front of the cabin in business class is Paul, and at the back of the cabin in economy class we've got Chabusile and Cindy. In a short while, ladies and gentlemen, once the captain has switched off the seatbelt lights, we'll be serving you some drink from the bar and lunch. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to take this opportunity of thanking you, Flying Southern Airways, a proud member of the Star Alliance. You can sit back, relax, and enjoy this flight with us.